My name is Ashton Gualtier. This is for the financial model in the entrepreneurship class. My business idea is to create a food truck that has prices less than $10, which is the average of the competition, and to create food that is made all from scratch. So let's get into the financial model. I didn't do a PowerPoint because not all my information could fit in slides, so it looked really choppy. So I'm just going to stick with the paper form. Here we have the assets, detailed listing of assets, and I broke up the first 6 months into each month. I don't know why, but I'm just going to roll with it. So the only thing that continues on is cash, inventory, and I'll be honest, I didn't really understand prepaid expenses for a food truck business. So down the road, I'll have to learn more about that. So I kind of just looked at a food truck model that's already set, and then deposits as well. So next we have, there's the 2-year amount. Total current assets, just added up all the amounts for the first year and then second year, and it increased in the next year. Now we have fixed assets. This is what I know the most about because I know how much a food truck is, or food trailer. And in the rough draft, I put down a food truck. This time I switched it to food trailer because that saves me at least $30,000 and is still an asset, so I can use that money towards something else. And then equipment will be about $15,000 starting up for the installations. And then computer electronics, stuff like iPads, computers for taking information for purchases and stuff. Other fixed assets, anything I have to prepare for. Truck wrap is usually around $2,500. And then in year 2, I only continued with equipment, computers, and electronics because it's not like I'm going to buy more food truck wrap or stuff like that. So I will need to continue to purchase equipment, computers, electronics. And so I just kind of estimated how much I needed to purchase more after the first year. And then I added up the totals for the first year, $29,000, and then second year, $32,700. And then I took from the first slide the amount of current assets and added it with these assets, and that's how I got these numbers here. Next, we have liabilities and owner's equity. This one was the biggest area that doesn't really seem to fall under food truck business because I don't want to use a loan. I don't want to apply for a loan for a food truck. I want to make sure it's out of pocket. And bank debt, I don't want to have any debt or have to pay anyone else back. So that's why these are all zeros. And accounts payable. So right now liabilities are at 0. That might change in the future, don't know. Owner's equity, common stock, came from my assets from above. So that's how I got those numbers from year 1 and year 2. Next one, income statement. Just food costs. I calculated food costs for each month for the first 6 months. Then after that, gave it an estimation for a 6-month time period. Added that right there. And then salaries. Don't know what salaries and hourly wages are going to be, but then I took the information from an already set up food truck plan, so that's how I got these numbers. And then controllable expenses. This is stuff for like driving, maintenance, if I have to make repairs inside the food trailer or outside. So that's how I got these numbers for year 1, year 2. Insurance on the food trailer. And yeah, there we go.